Yeah, man, me they rotted right now in a halfway tree. Praises to the Most High. Praises and praises to the Most High every time.
Yeah.
Let God arise and let the enemies be scattered. Me they a rotted juice, man, when I pass through out of the mountains. Just I come out of the mountain, man, and rotted, I go tell you what I go on. Them a counterfeit the thing.
See Jamaica. Real deal.
I copy my team, brother.
Yeah.
Them a counterfeit the thing.
Yeah, brother.
And I sell it globally as a counterfeit. So I want to tell the people them say, hey, no joke. We not play with the thing. And we not joke with the thing. People them to just know when they buy the Miracle Fire rub, all natural, all herbal, no preservative, no side effect. Then we call Jamaica. Anybody you buy it from, tell them to call Jamaica.
Yeah.
On WhatsApp. You see me?
Jamaica. So what do you prefer them in city label?
Miracle Fire Rub, I'm a thing this brother. And
Yeah.
them a copy the thing.
Yeah.
You see me? So tell them to call Jamaica. And when they call Jamaica, them confirm, so well then I saw the thing there. And when them talk to me, them can know say the real deal.
Yeah.
Jamaica, I guess how the counterfeit start. I want to tell them to stop it now. I want to tell them to stop it. So I guess what now? When them do the, and give them the wrong something, and the thing no work, and me ever get the blame, and the people now get sick.
Yeah.
So make sure when you buy any Miracle Fire Rub, you tell them, say, call your mic to me. And when you call your mic to me, you hear my mic, and I tell you, there's a code number I'm going to put in. And when the man that select know the code, and it change every day, so they're not going to be able to follow through. So that's how the thing goes.